So we're here at VIA at CES 2010. So what's up? What's going on? What is VIA doing?
Well, among many other things that VIA are doing, one of the things that VIA is doing is VIA is now quite involved with the OLPC project, which is making devices, as I'm sure you're very familiar, devices like this. I'll just turn it on.
So right now we're going to boot it up.
So this is the EXO 1.5, the latest version of the OLPC, and it's running a VIA C7 at 1 gigahertz.
VIA C7 and 1 gigahertz.
That's right.
But it's a new type of implementation of the C7, right? Is it like lower power with a new integrated bridge and all that?
It's actually the major advantage of this as a platform is in the chipset. Yeah? It uses the VIA VX855 chipset, which has really good playback for HD video and things like that. So I think the user experience on this version of the OLPC will be superior to maybe what you've seen on other versions of the OLPC before. So hopefully you can have similar performance to a regular PC, maybe similar to what you'd expect with a netbook.
But the VIA that you have in here is not the same as the one in here, right?
It's a different platform. What we've got in this guy here, the Samsung S20, is the VIA Nano processor.
Okay. So what is the difference?
The difference is, this is newer, the C7 is a little bit older, and is obviously targeted for, developing markets. It's an entry-level product. It's more of a netbook. This is something we would definitely say more than a netbook. The performance is closer to what you get maybe with CULV platforms. And that's mainly because the Nano processor is a 64-bit architecture, and it's out of order. This is an in-order. Similar to an in-order platform is maybe not so great at multitasking and things like that. It's the VIA Nano.
Yeah. But in the OLPC, the famous thing is that you have the Sugar OS,
yes,
which is really it's cool for well, you just need to have one app open at a time. You don't really need to have like 12 different things going on. So there, I'm testing to see how fast it is to open one of the big apps, the music maker Jam, or I forgot how it's called. And there, it takes a few seconds, but it's faster than the previous one. So there it is.
Yeah, it's definitely a platform update compared to the original AMD Geo out the original pieces.
So there. There's some way to play the piano, I forgot how. Well, it's so noisy here, it's hard to hear anything.
Yeah, I guess you just can't really hear it because of the background noise.
So if I go back to this mode right here, there it is, the OLPC EXO 1.5. And I could open the web browser. Or actually, one thing that could be fun is to see how many hotspots there are here in CES. So we can Wi-Fi scan. Is this the place to do that? Wi-Fi scan is on this one, right? This is the journal. Wi-Fi scan. So as well, VIA does ARM as well.
We also have an ARM license, it's true. And the company, we have a subsidiary company called Wonder Media, which are doing our ARM license stuff.
So how long have you been doing that then?
I think we've had the ARM license for a while, but Wonder Media has been around for maybe about a year and a half.
And so some things might be coming out of this, but there's nothing that can be said.
We're not really talking things up at the moment, yeah, but we're busy trying to build up the business side of things, working with customers and partners.
Cool. And you have showing some boards over there. What are those?
Yeah, sure. This is Nano ITX. This is the new Nano ITX, the N800, which has the VIA Nano CPU. This is Pico ITX. This is the new Pico board, which has, of course, the Nano CPUs, the A20. And this is Mobile ITX, which is VIA's first foray into the world of computer on module. So what would happen with this guy is it would work with the carrier board. So basically your I/O would be through the carrier board. So here you have the VIA CPU. Again, this is a C7. And here you have our VX820. And here you have the memory. This is the system.
Looks cool. So very compact.
It's 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters. It's about as small as any x86 platform's ever going to get.
Cool. And it can run all these Windows and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
Windows 7.
Windows 7 might not be ideal, but yeah, absolutely.
Cool. Linux would be good.
Exactly. I mean, for most of our embedded customers, they'll have a proprietary operating system.